Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your drawing teacher. Dear students, all my lectures belong from grade 1st to grade 4th. Today our topic is color. What is color? Let's start the explanation. Color is one of the most important elements of art. We are surrounded by colors. Nothing is colorless. रंग आर्ट का सबसे अहम आंसर है. हमारे इर्द गिर्द हत्ता कि कोई जगह ऐसी नहीं जहाँ रंग ना हो. रंगों के बगैर आर्ट का तस्वर नामुमकिन है. These are primary colors, red, blue and yellow. Now I explain primary colors. Primary colors. The three basic colors, for example, red, yellow and blue are called primary colors. All other colors are made by mixing these three colors. ऐसे रंग जिसको हम नहीं बना सकते, मसलन सुर्ख, नीला और जर्द रंग इब्तिदाई रंग है. बाकी रंग इन इब्तिदाई रंगों के मिलाप से बनाए जा सकते हैं. Dear students, by mixing each color you will get 50 colors. Next one is secondary colors. Secondary colors are those colors which are derived by mixing two or more primary colors. दो या दो से ज़्यादा रंगों के मिलाप से सेकेंडरी कलर्स बनते हैं. Dear students, red and blue are primary colors and by mixing them get purple color which is secondary color. Yellow and blue are primary colors and by mixing them get green color. Red and yellow are primary colors and by mixing them get orange color. Dear student, hope you will be understand. Thank you.